Two potatoes with marital problems, everyone. Anyway, let's go back to the tutorial. I'll be leaving this link on the description below. You can check it out. It's a add-on from even Vostrikov, and you can download it for free, or you can highly also donate for the development. I highly suggest you to do that. Around $3, it's really good if everyone can do. And now, if we go here into Edit Preferences, we can install this add-on right here, clicking Install. And here you can select the texeldensity.zip file. You don't need to unzip this file. Please don't do that. You actually need to leave it as it is and just select it. Click Install from Addon. Now, when you do that, it will install the module. So probably I already have this checked, Texel Density Checker. You can just enable it right here. So I have a chair, some surfboards and other beach props here. And we need to equal the same texture size because we're going to be making a texture atlas. So you can find the add-on on the end panel. Here on this tab, it will appear Texel Density. And here on the Texel Density, you can actually set different parameters for it here. I'll be working with this texture size. You can set different ones. There are also different tools for you to discover what is the pixel density for each of asset individually. So if we click on this carpet here that have a different scale in the UV map, we can click Calculate TD for it to give a pixel per centimeter number. You can also change the unity here to pixel per meter, pixel per inch, feet, but I love leaving it at centimeters because this is the scale I work in. And here I have the 9.2 texel density parameter. Now if we click the chair to calculate its parameter, you can see we have a 3.7 density. That's way different than this one. So we can actually set this texture density to be the same as the chair, and you can do that with each asset individually if you want more control. Probably selecting all the assets I want to be on the same atlas. Now remember that in 2.8, if we click tab, we can enter edit mode for multiple assets at the same time, and that's something we didn't have in Blender 2.79 before. So here I have all of them selected, and then I'll select the chair at last. You can see that the border is white, differently than the other ones, which the border is green. Let's click here, texture density from active to others, and then it will set the same scale of the UVs for the last selected one. And now everything is equal, and we have islands scaled sharing the same texel density. Now here's another problem. We have the islands interpolating themselves and not actually sharing the same UV space. So I'll be using another add-on called UV Pack Master to pack them on the same texture size. Now this is really not optimized, so we can try scaling down these two islands and then clicking pack again. Now this is really cool. Of course, we will not end up with this piece with the same UV texel density, but that's not a problem at all, I think. And that's it, guys. Till next time, subscribe and leave a like if you want more tutorials.